By the way, Pete, my dog eats this stuff. It looks like a big thing of Braunschweiger or whatever, liver sausage, because it comes in this long tube like this, and then you just slice off bits of it. It's refrigerated, and as the name implies, it's fresh. Freshpet. They unexpectedly swung to a profit in the first quarter. Now, lower logistic costs were one reason, but they came out with earnings that were positive rather than the big loss that they had a year ago. They lost 52 cents a year ago, folks. They made 21 cents this quarter. I'm thinking Pete's probably going to go back to his favorite, the short interest, which is quite high in this name.
John, actually, I was just going to go to the earnings themselves today, because when I look at this, the numbers are absolutely head scratching, to be honest with you. I mean, they're supposed to lose 22 cents. They make 21 cents. They lost 52 cents a year ago. I mean, it's just amazing what they've done, John. Matter of fact, they've beat 4 quarters in a row so far. Their volume is only up 31% year over year. So when you look across at almost every metric, and I wasn't even looking at the short interest because I just kept going back to this and looking at it saying, okay, so the earnings beat, they confirmed the guidance, the gross margins, well, they were 30%. Now they're up at 39.4%. Every metric you can look at, they are absolutely crushing it. And I don't know what exactly was the main reason behind it. You were talking about a couple of different things. One of them is the logistics. That's probably a huge one, but it's just amazing. And they did crush it, and they hit 52-week highs at 127 pretty easily this morning.
Yeah, and then they pulled back about $5. It gives you an entry point.